Down blood clot fully bad. One hard box to him face.
What about who a quefa, who a no quefa? Police. Police in box down Foota to know that. Anybody can get their face pushy. Know that nobody is sick.
Can you go up on your life now? I tell life on me I'm an artist, but police beat my artist. I ain't know nothing about it. You understand what I say? No, but I have to make the people know the reason why this.
Hi guys, so today's video is going to be about LINCOLN3DOT, Traba's friend, Ishawna, Foota hype artist when I'm fully bad. Like, it's just one big mix up and blender. Okay, one big mix up and blender. And you guys wanted to hear my thoughts and opinions on it, so I'm gonna give it to you raw, unedited, uncut. So LINCOLN3DOT actually went on Facebook Live and they talked about interaction that he had when he saw fully bad that Foota hype music, Foota hype artist. He said Foota hype artist fully bad get boxed down by police, and Foota hype just turn up there and do nothing because, and in there make fun of it and all these things, and I guess Foota hype took offense to it and it start
Freaky boy, I got call my name on him live because him feel like, because him say him fuck Ishawna, him have something over me. Brother, when you fuck Ishawna and me you fuck Zin, no, but him tell me all time out that him say that in front of me and in front of other people. Say him fuck Ishawna and Ray. When we never ask you about Ishawna, we never even have a conversation about Ishawna. That is no girl is a bitch. When girl give a pussy in a walk and lip and chat and carry girl business a road. You understand what I say? You know, do them something the dog. Can you go up on your life now? I tell life on me I'm an artist, but police beat my artist. I ain't know nothing about it. I say? No, but I have to make the people know the reason why this freaky boy I got call my name on him live. Because him feel like.
And this is what Ishawna had to say to Foota on Instagram. Foota, you can't get no hype off of me. You still know. Go suck your father where I suffer a cassava piece and I drive shuttle taxi and come off of my fucking name. Big up yourself. So this is when Lincoln start backtrack.
The song when we released last night. That song, there was a song we already do. Alright? Lava, why pre now? Alright, so I do that song there as a dub for run the road over Mobile. You see me I say? I'm going to show you something. These are the email which Childlander send me. Childlander send me the dub them April 22nd. I'm going to play that song you have right. In fact, I already did have Ishawna number. That's why you hear me say you still use the whole number. Me and Ishawna they have a conversation. She no screenshot the part here. She only screenshot the part to make me look bad. But the conversation before that, me and Ishawna have a conversation and Ishawna just send me her number. I mean, I ask her for her number. I mean, if I even link her. Me and her talk, she send me her number. Me not use the number. As you see, I screenshot them to me say, send me your number. Me did have your number before. She said me not pressure your number. Because she send me the number, me didn't even look. Ishawna type.
What you say? It start like a whole whirlwind of foolishness. Whirlwind of media friends. Whirlwind of gossip. Whirlwind of foolishness on social media. And Foota hype actually went on Instagram and did like an audio saying Lincoln the lie And the only reason why Lincoln, they chat off him out and this and that because he fuck Ishawna and this, that and blah. And Lincoln hype and Lincoln thinks he can hype on him because he the fuck Ishawna. And Lincoln, he said something like, if Lincoln the fuck Ishawna, he not fuck me, so he not do nothing. All sort of fuckery. And I'll actually include everything that happens, like all the videos that have surfaced, all the screenshots of Ishawna they show Lincoln not too good side. So I'll insert all the clips of everybody on the internet right now. So those are the clips of what everybody have to say. Lincoln, Foota hype, and the screenshot of Ishawna's conversation with Lincoln. So a few days ago, Lincoln let go a song, and he basically in there say he fuck like a girl in a like he fuck a girl the first night he meet her, and also so everybody's assuming that Ishawna in the talk about, because everybody assumes say Ishawna in the talk about because of the context of the song. And Ishawna herself actually approached him and I guess DM him or text him and tell him, say like, why you're doing this, because me and never have sex yet, we never had no interaction like that, so why are you doing this to me? And she basically said that Lincoln was lying. So Lincoln cleared the air and a few, like I think it was yesterday, and said that the song that he did was actually a dub plate, and he had the song way before anything happened with Ishawna or any altercation with Ishawna. And Ishawna basically say in the life and in dick and all sorts of same thing. So it was a big mix up blender. Ishawna builds her career off controversy and all this. So, and I have to agree with Lincoln in that sense. She built her career off a controversy, and this is just something else for us to talk about. This is something else for the media to gossip about. So this is gonna bring money to her pockets, and also money to Lincoln and Foota hype pocket, because people are want to get interviewed. People are gonna want to get everybody's side and talk to everybody, and people will screenshot this and screenshot that and talk to this and talk to that. So it's gonna bring money to both of their pockets, and controversy sells, especially in dancehall music. Without controversy, there would be no sting, no clash, no none of that. So controversy does sell, and Ishawna was on Sway a few weeks ago just because of the equal rights song that she did. She was on Sway, so controversy does sell, and it has been working with her. When she left Foota, she make one song about Foota, and when she left Joe Bogdanovich Downtown, she make one song about that. No equal rights, no this whole thing with LINCOLN3DOT. So controversy sells, and props to her for actually clearing up the air and putting everything out there that she never had sex with Lincoln. She never have no interaction with Lincoln like that, because in dancehall, a lot of people label her as this whore who sleep with everybody and all these things. So I'm glad to see she actually taking her image and taking who she is as a person very personal, because people can ruin your career and reputation with stuff like this. So I'm happy that the air is cleared. I'm happy that Lincoln just come out and say he never fuck Ishawna. The song wasn't about Ishawna. He had the song a long time ago. And as far as the Fully Bad situation where Fully Bad get boxed down for one police box down Fully Bad, he won't take that back. He said that is actually the truth. I'm in the face that Lincoln have no reason for lie. Say Fully Bad get boxed down. Like, who? First of all, who is Fully Bad? Me don't know who named Fully Bad. All me know say a friggin' Foota hype artist. But anyways, that's the whole rundown of the story. As far as my thoughts and opinions, I feel like it's just miscommunication. People blow things out of proportion. Foota hype take what you say out of context and just run with it, because that's what Foota hype do. As far as Foota, I don't really like Foota hype, to tell you the truth. I feel like Foota hype just techie and just spinny and call up Ishawna name in there and make it just blow out of proportion. But that's what some men do. We're going like I'm a real bitch. But anyway, that's my thoughts and opinions. I feel like it was miscommunication. It was just a bag of mix-up that was unnecessary. That was unnecessary, and they need to actually grow up in a dancehall music. Like, actually, like, grow the fuck up and stop taking everything so personal and chat about them ex and all these things. Like, if you're him today, like, stop calling up the girl name. So if you like this video, if you like videos like this, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl here on YouTube. I'm a part of here, man. Deuce.